Peter, and today we'll be doing an experiment which you could call a color symphony. We'll also be featuring my dog, Axel. Here's what you'll need to do this experiment. A tray or a plate, a couple different food colors, dish soap, and milk. To do this experiment, you will have to use 2% or whole milk. Oh, what's that, Axel? Why do we need to use 2% or whole milk? Well, we'll find out later in the video. First thing, we have to pour a shallow amount of milk onto our tray. Now that we've poured the milk, we need to apply the drops of food coloring all around our milk. Now that we have our food coloring all over our milk, we need to pour our dish soap over every drop of food coloring. What's that, Axel? Oh yeah, all of our colors swirled around. But why did this happen? Well, as we said earlier, we specifically used milk, which was 2%, or with fat. Now, milk has fat in it, and what dish soap does is remove the fats from the foods we eat. So the dish soap tried to remove the fat from the milk. As it did so, it caused our colors to swirl around and combine, as you can see. So that's why we had to use 2% of fat-full milk, because if we didn't, then our colors would have just stayed in place.